All right, guys and gals, Crypto Kurt here with a quick video. Just going to go through a portfolio that I've put together for my mom. Yep, that's right. Many years ago, I borrowed some money from my mom. I started up a business. I wasn't prepared at the time. I had spent all my existing money buying a new unit here in Australia, which was a very expensive thing to do. And out of the blue, decided to start a business, which I will suggest to most of you not to do without some plan and some capital. Needless to say, Mom came to the plate and gave me or loaned me a little bit of money to keep me going, get me started. So I made a suggestion to her this year and said, "Hey, Mom, how about I give you a small portfolio of cryptos and we'll give it 6 months, and if it doesn't reach the value that with which to pay you fully back, I'll just fund the rest with cash." And she was cool with that. So I know that none of you have ever borrowed money from your parents, and I'll get trolled big time on this one. But the reality is I've been doing okay with the cryptos and wanted to put together a list. So you can consider this my list for 2018, or at least I think for the next 6 months, because I told her I fully expect the value of this portfolio to double by the end of June this year, 2018. So I'm not going to go through the charts and all that stuff. I'm just going to go quickly through each one of these and talk about why I put this into the portfolio for my mom. Now, my mom's 72 years old, so she's a full-on baby boomer. She manages her own stock account, and she's fairly proactive with it. And she shared with me on numerous occasions that she does not like to see red. She only likes to see green, and you guys know what that means if you've been following the crypto charts anytime in the recent past. So she did ask me, she said she's going to go do some research on some of these, and if she wants to change them out, am I okay to change them out? I said, yeah, of course, Mom, we'll do whatever you want. But this was what I consider a fairly balanced portfolio, and we'll just talk about what this spreadsheet's showing us in just a second. So obviously we have the symbol, have the number of tokens I've put into the portfolio. We have the market value on the 28th of the 12th, which is when I just made this list. The total value of the tokens on that day. The market value of where it was yesterday when I spoke to her on New Year's Day, the total value as of yesterday, and then the increase decrease. So you can see that the whole portfolio has increased 27% in 5 days. So literally from December 28th in the evening to the 2nd of the 1st midday, 27% return. You can see that if we pull out XRP, which is Ripple, we've had 138% on that because that's had such a massive run up in the past couple days. So again, my concept was to have a balanced portfolio which represented both tokens and currencies and growth opportunities. Okay, and I think this is a fairly good list. Again, anyone can choose a list from the 1,358 currencies or whatever that's out there, but this is my list, and so this is what I'm presenting today. So first we have Litecoin. Litecoin, I think, will double this year. It will probably go more than double, but my expectation is for it to double. And you can see it's already made a 20% increase just in the past 6 days. Bitcoin, I'm not even speculating on Bitcoin. Yes, I think it's going to go up, but I think just because it's my mom, I want her to have a little bit, to have her skin in the game in the Bitcoin game. So I made sure that I put some of that in there. Kind of the same with ETH. I think ETH is also going to continue to increase in value. But when she comes to me next year and says, hey, I want to get involved with this ICO I just learned about, at least she'll have a little bit of ETH that she can go do that and play with. OMG is my suggestion to have some exposure to China and to Asia specifically. XVG is, oh, look at OMG, $15.12 to $26. I didn't put the caveat in the beginning, guys. These are in Australian dollars, and these are from the CoinSpot exchange, and so these prices will represent both a premium in price due to the Australian dollar calculation and also due to the fact that CoinSpot has a slight premium on the price of coins. Yes, you pay a premium when you buy in there, but you also get the premium back when you sell. So you'll sell for more than most of the average exchanges. So for those of you used to seeing US dollars, this will seem quite strange to you. But if you focus on the percentages won't change. It doesn't matter what currency you use. The percentage increase and decrease will stay the same. So again, OMG is my exposure to Europe and to a growth coin. Up 72% effectively in 5 days. Pretty amazing increase there from $15 to $26, almost doubling. XVG is my suggestion to have exposure to the security tokens, the anonymity tokens. Again, going from 17 cents to 20 cents, 17% increase 5 days. ETN is Electronium. That's really my play on maybe a big growth play. Currently trading at 8 cents Australian, up 2 cents. I'd love to see this thing go up to $1 and have that $1,000 be fairly aggressive portion of the portfolio for her. It's also the way they pitch it. It's going to be the crypto for the people. So if they ever do get it off the ground, hopefully again it'll be easy to use and something that she can appreciate. Next is EOS. EOS is a growth play. I think EOS is probably going to double, triple, quadruple over the next 12 to 24 months. So again, that's a growth play on a platform, a new platform that's going to be built. For those of you that are familiar with it, you would know Dan Larimer's behind that whole program and that platform. Again, 20% increase in 5 days. And Ripple, just because Ripple is what it is. A lot of people hate on Ripple because it's quote unquote the bankster's coin, but I'm agnostic. I'm in this for the money, and I want her to have some representation in that space. Again, from $1.11 to $2.65, it's up 138% in 5 days. So again, we take this number, total number here this total number here divided by this total number, we get a 27% increase in the last 5 days. So that's it, guys. That's going to be my list that I'm giving to my mom with the expectation that the total value of this portfolio is going to double in 6 months. And my expectation is a double. My hope is a triple or quadruple. All right, so once again, we have Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ether, OMG, XVG, ETN, EOS, and XRP as my picks for my mom for the first half of 2018. Love to hear your comments on what you would give your mom and what kind of portfolio you would build to pay her back any loans you might have borrowed in the past. So once again, guys, thanks for listening. Give me a big thumbs up and share this. Send it to your mom. See if she's interested. See if this would make sense to her. And Crypto Kurt out.